beautifully updated East Side Ranch back into the woods. You'll fall in love the moment you arrive. This move-in ready, 3-bed, 1-bath ranch features professional landscaping and a charming covered front porch, perfect for your morning coffee. Oh hey, let's just not look at pictures. Let's do a walkthrough of this house. 4236 East Cantrell Road. This is out by the airport on Decatur's east side. Look at that landscaping. I love the fresh, crisp, straight line of that. I mean, right here. Yeah, that's perfect. Real nice landscaping. I love this front porch covered for your morning coffee or afternoon coffee, as it be right now. Perfectly neutral, move-in ready. Lots of updates, fresh and neutral, light and bright. Got this huge window here. I love the curve of the archway here. The barn door that leads to your laundry room. Updated kitchen. Updated flooring. All right, let's walk over here. Look at these two girls. I held them when they were babies. They're my nieces. Oh, look, when they were babies. All right, bathroom, tile floor, updated countertop. Very nice in here. 3 bedrooms. Nothing to do in this house. Just move in and enjoy. All right. Barn door. You got laundry room right here. This leads to the outside. This is an unfinished basement. Great for storage. But then out here, look at this patio. So nice. White vinyl fence. Very, very private. There's a fire pit over here. And the yard goes back to the woods. So plenty of extra space back there as well. But man, if you didn't want to sit on that front porch and drink your coffee, what a great place for an outdoor coffee or cocktail or grill out, whatever. 4236 East Cantrell. Come check it out.